Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. This is your third video about negative sentences, and today we're going to practice triple negatives. I know you don't like it that much in English, but we use them a lot. Just so you know, the rien, jamais, and plus usually come right after the verb in this order. Plus comes first, jamais second, and rien, personne, and nulle part come after in this order as well. The ne still introduces the negative, but it's omitted in speech. As I said before, when we speak, we always take the ne out. Unlike in English, combining negatives does not reverse the meaning, it emphasizes it. Now, obviously, you need to be aware that some of these translations do not sound natural in English because you don't tend to use as many negative words in the same sentence. I know this, but I chose to write them as they are, so they're as close to the French structure as possible, and that's to help you understand how the triple negative structure works. First, let's have a look at some examples in the present tense. Now, he never forgets anything anymore. Maintenant, il n'oublie plus jamais rien. Maintenant, il n'oublie plus jamais rien. You see how the plus jamais rien are in that order, the order specified, and they're stacked together. She doesn't say anything to anyone anymore. Elle ne dit plus rien à personne. Elle ne dit plus rien à personne. And the person is last. It's not stuck to the others, not always. We never go anywhere anymore. On ne va plus jamais nulle part. I could have said on ne sort plus jamais nulle part. It's fine. Now let's see what happens in a perfect tense, the passé composé. She never did anything again to solve the problem. Elle n'a plus jamais rien fait pour résoudre le problème. Because in French we say she never did anything anymore to solve the problem, but you would probably use again a bit more than anymore in this sentence. She never saw anyone again after the incident. Elle n'a plus jamais vu personne après l'incident. They've never been anywhere again since you left. Ils ne sont plus jamais allés nulle part depuis ton départ. And let's have a look at the immediate future. I'm never going to do anything again to help you. Je ne vais plus jamais rien faire pour t'aider. She's never going to see anyone again. Elle ne va plus jamais voir personne. You see how the nulle part and personne are the only two that can be split, but the others can't. We're not going to say anything to anyone anymore. That way it's easier. On ne va plus rien dire à personne. Comme ça, c'est plus simple. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.